my... Look at my hair, my lips, my cheeks, and a pair of fingernails. I remember somebody says that I look like my father. But that when he was young. Now, I'm much handsome than he is. Oops, what time is it? Must get ready for the party. Beep beep. Aha, here they are. Yes, I'm coming. John, you're still there? Hi, that's my papa. John, are you still there? Will you please get my glass of cold water? Look, Papa, I'm in a hurry. Please, John, try to get my glass of cold water. Papa, please, try to get on your own. Please, John, try to get my glass of cold water. At the party, I danced and I danced the whole night. You see, I can leave the party at once. I have to dance with everybody who proposed to me. At last, the party is over, and I'm very tired. Very, very tired. So I went home to tell Papa what happened. I'm home. It's very quiet. Papa, I'm home. Nobody answers. Where is he? I look for him in the sala, but it's not there. Where is he? In the kitchen. I saw my papa lying down on the floor, dead, with a glass in his hand. And I remember she tried to get it. Oh God! It's only for a glass of cold water.